breaking the boundaries of our world with SpaceX X-37b. Years ago, the idea of space exploration was a mere fantasy. Now, it's a reality, thanks to innovators like SpaceX. Imagine a spacecraft able to stay in orbit for years. That's the X-37b, the unmanned, reusable vehicle that's pushing limits. The X-37b's journey hasn't been without challenges. Technology, funding, and logistics have all tested the strength and resolve of the SpaceX team. But each challenge has been met with determination. The X-37b is a testament to the power of human ingenuity and perseverance. The X-37b has already achieved so much. It's successfully completed multiple missions, each one expanding our understanding of the cosmos. But the journey is far from over. With the X-37b, SpaceX is just starting to uncover the unfathomable mysteries of space.